MaxiSys ADAS calibration solution is now more portable, simple to use, easily foldable, creating freedom to calibrate in many locations. MA600 provides lane departure warning calibration for camera-based systems. Within 2 minutes, one person can perform accurate frame placement with MaxiSys advanced laser measurement procedure. The latest OE-level vehicle coverage, combined with tutorial graphics and step-by-step instructions, achieve a more efficient calibration experience designed to support your adapting business. Don't just replace windshields, recalibrate your future. Target your new revenue stream by purchasing additional calibration frame accessories. It's the new generation MaxiSys ADAS MA600. Smarter service made simple.